In animation, a ladybug flies over grass and lands on a leaf. A light bulb appears in a thought bubble next to its head. The ladybug flies and lands on a leaf above a title. Think garden, garden health and maintenance.
A garden needs people to take care of it.
Left alone, it will be conquered by weeds or bugs. Left alone, it will wither from drought.
Left alone, it will be a rabbit's salad bar.
Plants need good soil, the right amount of water, and 8 to 10 hours of sunlight to grow well. A mindful gardener has chosen a good location and prepared the soil with compost. Many gardeners choose seeds that are naturally bred to be disease resistant. Markers for seeds show the gardeners where watering is most needed.